What's up guys, we're here under the 69 Charger working on the engine. What we're doing today is just a little bit of cleaning and masking. What we did was clean the engine block with degreaser. We're gonna go away from the Dodge orange that everybody knows and loves, but we came up with another little color that will probably look a lot better. You guys are gonna like it. It'll help accent the polished aluminum bits. This engine has a ton of aluminum stuff on it, including these badass Indy aluminum cylinder heads. These flow a lot better than stock heads. And we have an intake that's also port matched to these heads that's aluminum as well. This engine is pretty decked out. It's not your normal 440. It's bored and stroked, so it's probably closer to 500 cubic inches now. What we're doing is just cleaning, painting, degreasing everything, and we're gonna polish the whole front accessory drive because that's aluminum as well, and put it all back together and get ready to slam it back into our 69 Charger for you. So what we have here is the Eddie Motorsports front accessory drive for our 440. This thing has a few miles on it, so it's got a little bit of grease, a little bit of grime. We're gonna go ahead and polish it up again, bring it back to its former glory. But we really like this unit. Eddie Motorsports makes a killer product. So we're gonna be shining it up and getting ready to put it back on our 440.